Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone iOS 26 without security delay. For example, if you try to change the passcode and any password on your iPhone iOS 26 and it doesn't allow you and it always shows the security delay or stolen device protection. So how you can turn off stolen device protection without security delay. So for this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply look for the settings of stolen device protection. So it will be available in your face ID and passcode settings. So you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply provide the passcode. So if you want to change the stolen device protection, then you have to make sure that you have remember your passcode. Now if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, then you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of stolen device protection. So here are the options available. So if you turn off this toggle, then it will ask for the security delay and also face ID. So here is written security delay is required if you want to turn off the stolen device protection. But if you do not want the security delay, then you have to simply select a security delay away from familiar location. So if you select that, then it will ask for security delay for one time, and after that, as you turn off this toggle, it will not ask for the security delay. But before this, you have to make sure that you have selected away from the familiar location, and after that your stolen device protection will be turned off without asking for your security delay. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.